Hello everyone. Welcome to our Easy Cooking, Easier Chinese program. In this program, we are going to show you how to make some very easy and popular Chinese dishes at home. At the same time, we're going to introduce some relevant, interesting Chinese characters. Now, here we go. First of all, let me show you a picture of the dish we're going to make today. What do you think these are in the picture? Yes, they are potato shreds. Potato is frequently used in the Western cuisine. For example, we have jacket potato, mashed potato, or potato chips. But in China, people like to cut potato into long, thin shreds and stir-fry them. This dish in Chinese is called 土豆丝. Let me say it again. 土豆丝. Now, we have three characters here. The first two characters, 土豆, it means potato. 土豆. And the third character, 丝, means long, thin strips or shreds in the Chinese cuisine. But it also has the original meaning, which is silk or thread. So the English name for this dish is stir-fried potato shreds. Now, let's take a closer look at the character 丝. If you look at the picture in the square box on the left, you will find two yarns of silk bound together. It is based on what silk looked like in the ancient times that the Chinese people created the character 丝, and this is the ancient character for 丝, silk. And along with the thousands of years of time, the character 丝 gradually evolved step by step and finally became the character we use today. So you can find the modern character 丝 on the right. When we look at this character, we are still reminded of the picture on the left, showing us what silk looks like. So, this is one of the major ways for ancient Chinese people to create the characters. And these characters are called pictographic characters. Now, in the Chinese cuisine, 丝 means shreds or long, thin strips. And Chinese people not only like to cut potatoes into 丝 or shreds, they like to do this to many other food ingredients as well. For example, we have 胡萝卜丝, which is carrot shreds. We also have 菜丝, cabbage shreds. And also 肉丝, meat shreds. Chinese people believe that by cutting the food ingredients into shreds, and then when they're stir-fried, they can absorb more flavor or the seasoning, making the dish even more delicious. So now, why don't we try to write down the character by ourselves? Follow the order of the strokes. Let's try to count how many strokes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you write it down already? I hope you have already learned how to write down the character 丝 and also what it means. Now, let's get ready for the dish making. Hello everyone. I hope you are ready. Now it's time for us to make the Chinese dish 土豆丝. All you need is one potato and also vinegar. Now, what I have is the Chinese brown vinegar, but if you have the white vinegar, it will also do. So, first step, we need to peel the potato. Now, let's begin. Now, after peeling the potato, it's time for us to cut the potato into long and thin shreds. Cut the potato into very thin slices. Then you can put the slices in a deck. Then cut them into long shreds. Careful, don't cut your fingers. Another easier way to cut the potato into shreds is to use a shredder like this, together with a hand protector. Now, after shredding the potato, we are supposed to wash them because the potato has lots of starch, and if you don't wash them and when you stir fry them, it will become very sticky, and we want it to be more crispy and less sticky, so we're going to wash it twice with water. Now the potato shreds are washed and they are ready to put in the wok. First, put some oil in the wok. Make sure it's evenly spread over the bottom. And now put in the potato shreds and keep stir-frying it. Now, if you want, you can also add some red pepper shreds. Just cut it into little shreds, not too much, so we can make the dish look nicer with more color. Now put in the red pepper shreds, keep stirring and turning, and if it gets a bit sticky, you can put in a little bit water. And now you can put in some salt. And then don't forget the vinegar. The brown vinegar will give it a bit of a color as well. When you feel the potato shreds have gone soft, it means they're ready. So now the stir-fried potato shreds is finished. Let's have a try. A little bit sour because of the vinegar, and very crispy. It will be a very good appetizer. So have you nailed it? Remember to send us a picture of the dish you made, and so that we will try to select the best learners of the week, and you're going to win stamps. And that's the dish 土豆丝. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.